There are no individual rights granted to the people in the WA Constitution or the New South Constitution. It's all about how much power should the government have? How much power should the judiciary have? How much power should the states and territories have in this case? And then the few rights that are alluded to in this, e.g., the right to travel between the states and territories, in a time of a declared emergency, we don't have that right. Hence why I was trapped in WA behind a controlled border for 2.5 years, despite my constitution saying I had the right to travel freely between the states and territories. This is my problem with all of this. I'll come full circle and then I'll finish up because I've been rambling away for an hour. This is my frustration with the fight in Australia. When we have nothing, no individual rights enshrined in law, just how hard it is to get our freedoms back when you are up against the behemoth state that keeps growing and growing and growing, encroaching on our lives like octopus tentacles coming out every aspect of our bloody lives now. Not just the firearms. If you're not interested in firearms, throw a topic at me and I'll tell you how the government is responsible or involved in making that harder. Buying a beer? Why do you think it's so expensive? Not just the alcohol tax, the bloody outrageous costs put on the business to comply with some bullshit. Government affects every aspect of our daily life, and that is why we are suffering. Because our power has gone unchecked, because we do not have the means to defend our liberty and ourselves and our lives, even if we're under attack. It is a dire state of affairs in Australia. And the Americans, when not just me, about Mr. Liberty as well, he's got some stories from Victoria, their heart breaks for us and they would do anything to help us. They love Australians. I cannot say enough how warmly I've been welcomed here, how respected I have been here. Completely different, contrasting that to going to a gun event in Australia, how I was treated.